Meaning of lick.
Lick. Lick.
Part of speech verb. Definitions. 1. To pass the tongue over a surface. 2. To touch or explore lightly with the tongue. 3. To make smooth or glossy by licking. 4. To eat or drink something by licking it up. 5. To eat or drink something quickly and eagerly. 6. To move the tongue rapidly over a surface, so as to produce a sound. 7. To apply one's tongue to an object or surface, as a sign of affection or submission. Examples. 1. The cat likes to lick its paws. 2. The puppy is still learning to lick its wounds. 3. She licked the envelope and stuck it in the mailbox. 4. He licked the plate clean. 5. They licked their lips in anticipation. 6. The snake licked the air, sensing its prey's presence. 7. He licked his hand and held it out to the dog to smell. Part of speech noun. Definitions. 1. An act of licking. 2. A small amount of something, especially a sweet or savory food, that has been licked. 3. A mark or trace made by licking. Examples. 1. She gave him a lick on the cheek. 2. He picked up a lick of ice cream and savored it. 3. He wiped the lick of frosting off his mustache. 4. There was a lick of paint on the door. 5. The baby left a lick of drool on her bib.
Lick. Lick.